Glimmering in the soil, just a couple inches beneath the sandy upper strata, is the nugget you've always dreamed of, and a few inches above that, a metal detector for gold. With the right metal detectors, you'll come to the field equipped with the tools needed to find that pocket, seize that seam, and sniff out the deposits that still dot the hills of the United States and beyond. The best detectors are sensitive enough to distinguish between gold and ferrous metals, are often fully submersible, and can even find gold in difficult soils, such as mineralized black sand. Whatever your price point, sniff out a doubloon or three with the best metal detectors for gold. Number 1. Minelab Equinox. Sometimes a company just hits on a slice of perfect, and if you're after a personal basset hound for the bullion, then the Minelab Equinox is a detector you can't afford to ignore. Historically, when you bought a metal detector, you picked a frequency and worked within it, but not so here. The Equinox is one of the most versatile machines out there. With multiple simultaneous frequency responses from 5 to 40 kHz, this detector is as capable of nosing into a patch of gold as it is turning up ancient coins, spearheads, and jewelry, all without committing to a mode in advance. The Equinox offers a great combination of automatic settings and options for manual tuning. With its 4 distinct detection modes, it's as easy to set it for beach hunting as it is for the mineralized mountain soils where gold is usually found. It also comes with 8 custom search profiles and allows you to save the settings you most frequently use. Advanced settings allow you to tweak how much target audio you hear. The LCD display sums it all up concisely with simple controls that let you instantaneously adjust detect modes and frequency. Number 2. XPDS 2. Choose your adventure, snorkel down to a lost shipwreck that's potentially full of doubloons, or scour the mouth of a Canadian basin while your friends sweep the forested banks. Either way, there's one clear detector for the job. The XPDS 2 is a formidable submersible detector for serious prospectors that can function up to 60 feet below the surface of the water. The XPDS isn't just waterproof, however. This high-end multi-frequency detector is capable of 49 individual frequency settings, as well as an impressive simultaneous mode. The 4 to 45 kHz range offers more than enough room for gold. Wide and precise discrimination modes help you further narrow the field, and the machine reports back on the findings with 3 different tones for ferrous, low conductor, and high conductor metals, in PWM or square wave. The DAIS also delivers some impressive modern touches. The system uses a wireless headset and can pair wirelessly with a pointer. The monitor is IP68 certified for water and dust resistance. Number 3. Bounty Hunter 3410001. It is possible to find gold without spending thousands. The Bounty Hunter 3410001 is an affordable metal detector that's loved by many. While this VLF detector isn't optimal for hunting gold in deep bush settings, deeply mineralized soils, or salt water, it's still a great choice for scanning for gold lost near the surface or small gold nuggets in gravel pits or tailings ponds. The Bounty Hunter might be inexpensive, but it doesn't lack features. Its controller A is simple to use, whether you're throwing a switch to cycle modes, adjusting sensitivity with a dial, or dialing in the disc/notch control to tune to gold. It features simple automatic grounding presets, 3 search modes, and a nice target strength meter that won't make your brow furrow. Its frequency response is lower than optimal for gold, but, with the right sensitivity setting and patience, that hasn't stopped hundreds of users from finding lost wedding rings, gold jewelry, and undiscovered nuggets near the surface. Number 4. Fisher Labs Gold Bug. This simple prospector's detector is easy to use and provides great value in mountainous areas where gold is found. Head for the hills without draining your savings with the Fisher Labs Gold Bug. Optimal for new prospectors, the Gold Bug is easy to use and tuned for gold. With simple controls, you won't need to stay up late with the owner's manual before you get out sweeping. The 2-tone detector uses a fixed frequency of 19 kHz and offers an all-metal mode, as well as a discriminatory mode for when the search gets serious. It uses 2 tones to differentiate metals, a lower tone for ferrous metals like iron and a higher tone for gold. It also features simple, automatic grounding that's easy to use for new prospectors without constant fiddling. The Pro version, on the other hand, allows you to customize grounding and may have slightly better sensitivity. Number 5. Garrett ATX. With superior sensitivity even for deeply buried objects, saltwater immunity, and great resistance to interference, this is a PI detector that's perfect for rugged environments and mineralized soils. This is a stacked instrument with lots of modes and capabilities that will become second nature with time. The ATX leverages a multi-frequency mode to cut deeper into the ground and uncover more metal. It features 13 sensitivity modes, a capable ground balance function that takes mere seconds to calibrate to the soil you're working with, as well as ground tracking. Together, the ATX easily cuts through salty soil, seawater, and mineralized crusts. The iron check feature is another nice capability that audibly checks whether an item is iron, and the pinpoint feature helps you lock onto and find nuggets that you'd like to investigate.